Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the RexWifHat token. Ticker symbol is REXHAT. Now this token has been trending today on DEX Screener, very popular meme token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token right now is trending number 30 on DEX Screener in the Solana section. It was trending up higher earlier. It's got a $4.8 million market cap. That is also their fully diluted valuation. In the past 24 hours, this token is up 78.21%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.4 million. And token price is almost a penny right now. And they have $152,000 in liquidity in RAYDIUM, and according to DEX Screener, 99.6% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that they have that there. Now this token, the pair on RAYDIUM, was actually created 8 days, 12 hours ago. It is a fairly new token. It says, REXHAT, a long-lost meme coin, has risen on Solana. The Supreme King will rule the world again. Now, if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is, first of all, you need a wallet for Solana token. So you could use a Trust wallet, Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find RAYDIUM, and then trade your Sol for the RexWifHat token using the contract address that you could find on their Twitter, which is right on the screen here, at RexWifHat_Sol. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll have a look at that in a second here. Brand new token, just joined Twitter June 2024. They have 1,077 followers on their Twitter here. On the Twitter, you can also see there is a link to their webpage, RexWifHatSolana.com. 53 posts so far, blue verified, check mark, and they do all sorts of events. It looks like there's a meme contest going on right now. You could find that in their pinned tweet. And yeah, they did a 1,000 follower tweet underneath that. And yeah, they do all sorts of posts. Looks like they're on CoinGecko. And yeah, so check out RexWifHat on Twitter there. Now they also have a Telegram that you could find at RexWifHat Solana. And they have 1,809 members, 412 of them are online. That's a great place to see updates along with the Twitter, but also on that Telegram, you could talk to other community members, see what they think about the project, ask questions, things like that. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find a Buy Now button that will take you to Jupiter, which is another DEX, just like RAYDIUM. You may be also able to get this token off of Orca or Meteora, any of those exchanges as well. And you can copy paste the address right from their page. They have links to their socials. They also have a link to Bird Eye where you can see the chart on there. And then also you can see it on DEX Screener, CoinGecko, DEX Tools, etc. All sorts of places you could check out how the token is doing. So they have, it says total supply 500 million tokens, and it says 0% tax. So you don't have to worry about slippage if you're buying or selling or transferring this token. And you can check out the community links at the very bottom of their webpage. There's not a ton of information on their webpage. This is very much just a meme token. But they do have a quick audit we're going to check out in a second here on DEX tools. So on DEX tools, they have all sorts of links. There's also a Reddit you could join as well. They have a bubble maps page, all sorts of info there. Yeah, $5.21 million market cap right now. So it says they have 50,160 holders. Now that is a pretty decent amount of holders. Maybe if we check CoinGecko here, that'll tell us if they have any central exchange listings so far, because that is a lot of holders. Now, when you see a lot of holders like that, it's not always from people buying the token. They could have done airdrops. They could have had a private sale, pre-sale, all sorts of different sales before the token went live. It's up 91% though right now. Very popular project. So we could check CoinGecko here and see if it has any central exchange listings. That's another place you could get the contract address from. So it says RAYDIUM, Orca, Jupiter, and I don't see any central exchanges, just DEXs. So just decentralized exchanges you can get this token off of so far. But if you follow their socials, maybe they will have some central exchange listings coming in the future, especially since this token is so popular. They have 554 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to about almost 8 million pooled REXHAT tokens. They have a DEX score of 96 out of 99. That's a great score there. And then they also have a community trust score out of 8 votes. They got 87.5%. Now, I don't see a full audit, so keep in mind there's only a quick audit that I could find, and a quick audit only goes over a few things. It doesn't go over everything, so you should always look out for, team doxings like KYCs, full audits. A lot of tokens will get multiple audits, like Hacken and CertiK are very well-established auditors, but this one just has a quick intel, quick security audit. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, scam risk undetected, and it also says no other risks. But again, keep in mind, it's just a quick audit. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.